one of the times that I cried was in 2001: A Space Odyssey, when after he's been locked out of the spaceship by Hal the computer, the Keir Delay character Bowman makes his way back into the spaceship, and basically it's a countdown to Hal's death, and you can hear Hal saying, uh, uh, Dave, what are you doing, Dave? What are you doing, Dave? Dave goes into this giant reddish hued computer room, and he starts slowly pulling out, I guess, the cartridges. Again, this is 1968, so they have these huge cartridges, and slowly but surely, Hal starts regressing back to his childlike state, and he starts singing a song. And then eventually, when Hal is kaput, we see the video that says why they were really sent on this mission. But I remember thinking to myself, how sad it was. Here I'm watching de facto what seems to be a murder, and it's a justifiable homicide, because Hal has killed one of the other astronauts. Hal has killed the sleeping astronauts. Hal has clearly gone psychopathic. Yet, in just a handful of scenes with this monotonous voice, the writing, the way, the writing of Kubrick, the way it was filmed, the people talk that 2001 and the Kubrick was emotionless. What the fuck are they watching? 2001, that's a devastating scene. And I remember as a 10 or 11-year-old watching that on the late night movie, I think in 75 or 76, and being really saddened and choking up, because here is a sentient creature, a creature that in some ways is probably greater than mankind, and yet he has stumbled and he has fallen into an abyss, and now he is being executed. And that said something about the nature of life, the nature of fallibility, that even this supposedly infallible being or creature or sentience has failed, and that's what film can do. And it would be and I've read 2001, the book, and the scene of Hal being disconnected is nowhere near as effective.